Today I'm totally excited. I haven't done a Thrive Market unboxing for a while, so we ordered some stuff. They got all kinds of great things, pantry items, they got even frozen foods. There are affiliate links in the description of the video, so if you do use those, it does support the channel. Let's just get into the box and see what we got today. Alright, first of all, everything's securely wrapped, like always. Get rid of that. And first off the top, we got some multi-collagen protein powder. I've decided to start working out. Ancient Nutrition's protein powder. We'll try it out. It has good reviews online, so I figured we'd give it a try. Next thing we got, Ultima electrolyte mix. You guys I always like when I'm drinking, I always like to use like the liquid IV. So I figured I'd give this one a try. It should be pretty similar. I hope so. Lemonade flavors might taste a little better. Always nicely packaged up. We got some Fly-by Jing Zong sauce. I'm gonna make some wings later. I think I got 2 of those from that company. Yeah, here's another one. This one they wrapped up a little better. I think this is the more popular of the 2. It is these Szechuan chili crisp. So it's gonna be like a chili oil sauce. I think will make an excellent choice for some wings. Next thing we got, so if you can't tell, my nose is a little stuffy. I got some cough drops, honey flavored. These are actually my free gift. So anytime you order from, well, a lot of times when you order from Thrive, they have like a gift of the day. So if you make a certain purchase over a certain amount, they'll throw something in there for you. That's what we got. I got some Chomps grass-fed, grass-finished beef sticks. Snacks for work. Try one of these out. And then we got some of this soap. It is Dr. Bonner's. Now, my dad uses this stuff all the time when we travel because you can use it for so many different things. You can use it to like do your laundry, wash your hair, brush your teeth. So you can put it in those little 3-ounce TSA bottles, and we'll go on like a week trip and I'll just use that for everything he's washing. He washes his clothes in the sink, brushes his teeth with it, he uses it to wash his body. So we've always only ever used the peppermint, but we also picked up a thing of lavender, so we'll see how it comes out. We'll see how it tastes. I got taste, how it feels on your skin. Also something, because I was sick, we got this Beekeepers Naturals Immune Support Spray. So according to online, it's supposed to kind of work like airborne or emergency. So we'll give it a taste, see how it comes out. All right, thanks for watching.